Now, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to log into CompTIA.org. So you'll find that you just go to CompTIA.org. You'll have to make yourself an account if you're new to this. And then I'm going to go ahead and register and then for to take this test in the next month. And they're already advertising the crap out of this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this and see if we can go ahead and all right. So this they want me to get this again. Buy now. Here we go. Not cheap, by the way. So I can to take this test, I'm gonna have to buy this voucher, and then I'm gonna use this voucher to take the test. So it says single use voucher, redeem this digital code for one SecAI Plus exam attempt. 12 months validity. Use your voucher for exam registration within 12 months of the date of the voucher. So I'll have one whole year to do it, and I'm going to take it within about 30 days. Receive your voucher code via email. Expect it in early February, okay, because that's when it was released. This was very new. And simple voucher process one, activation, redeem, okay, blah, blah, blah. And so once I take this $359 test, if I fail it, that's it. I gotta pay another $359 unless I do this. For $408, I get one free retake. But I don't plan on failing it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to cart. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this $359 one. Now, what's great is if you work in a company, sometimes they'll pay for this. They'll go ahead and pay this, or you can just go ahead and take this test and then get reimbursed in their education system. If you pass, they'll go ahead and reimburse you for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one and move on to the next step. All right, so I have purchased the voucher for CompTIA, and it sent me this email that breaks down everything I need to schedule it. So I'll go to this exam scheduler, and when I'm ready, I'll go ahead and schedule this. But here's what the site looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the scheduling process. So once you want to schedule, you'll go to schedule and manage exams. You'll fill out all this information. That will take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, keep in mind, you have to have an account, you have to get the voucher, all that kind of stuff. And it's walking me through me doing the online version of this test, just going through. You'll have to do facial comparison. This is all the things that they do to validate because it's online, so they have to validate who you are and make sure you're not cheating and things like that. So that's a lot of stuff that you got to do to actually make this happen. It's only available in English, I think, right now. And then the time zone will be Mountain Standard Time for me. Mountain Standard Time. What time zone are you in? Let me just get rid of this. In Denver. Denver. There we go. Yes, that's right. And then it's asking me when I want to take this test. So I'm going to give myself some time. I don't think this is going to be a super difficult test, so I don't want months. But I really want to know the material, and I just paid $300 for this, so I don't want to fail it. So I'm going to take my time and go to, I think, about, I want to say probably April 25 or 18. Which one? I think I'm going to go with about a little over 1 month from now. So April 18, and I'm going to do it as a Saturday. I'm going to do it, I'm thinking either before, maybe I'll do it early in the morning, right before my live. So it'll be 8 a.m., 8 a.m. to 9 on the 18th of April. That gives me about 4 weeks, a little over 4 weeks. And I'm going to go ahead and book this appointment. Now, I can't change this. I think it's going to ask me for my voucher next. Subtotal. And there it is right there. So the next step is I'm going to put my voucher in, and it'll show that I've already paid, and then I'll be good to go. My voucher is in the email, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Okay, I just put the voucher in, and it looks like we're good to go for April the 18th. 7 a.m. is going to 7:30 a.m. is going to be my check-in time, and it's going to start at 8. You got to make sure you go in really early for this, like at least 30 minutes early, because they're going to check your ID. They're going to check your area that you're in, like your desk and everything has to be clear. They're going to check your system, the system that you log in. It has to be all browsers are shut down. All that whole process takes 45 minutes. And if you have snags or something, it might take a little bit longer. So make sure I'll have to make sure that I get in early on this, put this on my calendar. And I think that's it. I'm ready to go. I'm not going to test my computer or anything just yet. I got time to do that, but it's all set up.